So I've been sent this to review. Now, spoiler alert, I already know I'm going to like it because I've got one in my Range Rover and it's absolutely brilliant.
Oh, goodness me, how horrible.
Let's just unbox it. Put that over there. Very well packaged, I have to say. So we'll put the dash cam there. These are the accessories. We'll look at them first. So accessories. That's brilliant. Do you know what? When it arrived, I thought to myself, all my plastic levers are at work. I'm going to have to go in the garage. Do you think of everything? Looks like an SD card reader or a micro SD card reader, USB socket or USB-C socket. There's a little wiring loom which I will need to cut the camera in, and then we'll get to the good bit. Everything. And this is what I like. There's a practice when you take your vehicle into garages that they unplug your dash cam to start off with, so you don't really know what's been going on. And I found to my cost in the past that I would have really liked my dash cam connected when the mechanics was out in it. So here we go. So that's it. And this is the good bit about it. I'm going to take that off because I'll forget. So that's the lens cover. Let's just show you. So this actually fits around your rear view mirror. Your switches are there. The camera's there. And really from the outside or the inside, I'm always frightened of getting my dash cam pinched because they cost a few £100 these days. You know, with this, they couldn't really pinch it anyway. And they wouldn't really know it was there. This isn't your typical dash cam. The Fitcam X is designed specifically for your particular vehicle. Mine's a T-Roc today, but it means it fits perfectly into the existing housing behind your rear view mirror. No messy cables, no suction cups, not obscuring your view through the windscreen, just a clean OEM look like it came straight from the factory. There's no hard wiring to the fuse box needed. It plugs directly into the car's auto dimming mirror power connector. Installation takes about 10 to 15 minutes and you don't need to splice a single wire. If you're comfortable removing a plastic trim piece, and you can do this yourself, don't worry, everything just clips back into place. 4K video with Sony sensor. If you're looking for a discreet dash cam that blends perfectly with your T-Roc or whatever car you've got's interior and gives you peace of mind on the road, the Fitcam X is a solid pick. Okay, so the first job is to try and get this off. Looking at this, how does that go? So it's going to slot in here. Don't think it will pull back, but I don't know, so it's got to come down that way. So pull that down like so, and then it's coming out there. Slides back like so. Okay, and then don't need to disconnect that, but that looks like that goes forward. So that's it. So that's the bit. That all looks the same, doesn't it? Looks like it slides in. Is that going to be it? Yes, that's looking like it. So we need to, gosh, that's warm. It would be better if I could see it, but I can't. Gosh, that was a struggle. So that, and that That goes in there. That goes in there like that. Then over here we plug this in like so. And I'm going to be tempted to try it and make sure it works. It's showing power on there. Get everything inside. And then where does that go? So that goes up like so. And that goes like that and should flip up, but before I clip it up, guess what I'm going to do? I should already have Fitcam, I think. Fitcam X, so there we go. We've got Fitcam X. Here we go. We need to connect a camera. Car camera, connect camera. Please connect to the camera whose Wi-Fi name is car cam in the settings Wi-Fi option of iPhone. So settings, car cams come up, click on that. Yes, I will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. The Wi-Fi, that's joined. And then we go to Fitcam connect. Connection successful. Take a photograph. It's recording. Go into camera files. So those are automatically saved already. Nip back, camera settings. And it's 1st of 4, 2025. Automatically picked up the time and date. Sound recording, click on sound recording. Video resolution is 4K. Loop recordings, that's only 1 minute. I'm going to take it to 3 minutes. No exposure compensation. Timestamp, driver collision sensing. This is the one I'm interested in. Parking monitoring collision detection. I'm going to click that on because somebody has run into the front of my car on our residence parking here and driven off and not left the name and address, and it's about 2 grand's worth of damage. So I wish Fitcam had sent me this earlier, but they didn't. So hopefully this will protect me from anything in the future. That's it. Easy enough to do, as you can see. They needed a good sharp tap, but they were hard getting out. There's your SD card if you need access to it. And here are the buttons. And now the parking monitor's enabled. You can see what some nice person did to my car on the car park and then drove off. If you're looking for a discreet dash cam that blends perfectly with your T-Roc or whatever car you've got's interior and gives you peace of mind on the road, the Fitcam X is a solid pick. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any more car tech reviews coming soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Oh, goodness me, how horrible.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Could I have a large blonde roast latte please, and I have my own cup?
Yeah, no worries. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it, thank you.
Would you like to drive around?
Thank you very much.